Hey guys and gals, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be unboxing the October 2020 Lookfantastic beauty box, and yeah, they have gone and spiced up the packaging this month. We've gone blue, we used to be orange. I'm assuming this is going to be the new permanent packaging, unless they've just spiced it up for Halloween. Well, it's not very Halloweeny. So yeah, if you want to see what I have received inside my October 2020 Lookfantastic beauty box, please go ahead and just keep on watching. Okay, so when we open up this box, we always get tissue paper. Whoop. And we got books too. Okay, so we just got something here. Isabel finds in your Perfect MAC foundation. I don't want it. Then we have our standard booklet that comes with it, and it gives us a sneak peek for November. So the sneak peek that we have is what is this brand called? How do you pronounce this? It's Naobay. What's that? Naobay? Nobay? I don't know. Anyway, it says that this is a detox oxygen light cream with £16. This lightweight face cream provides intense moisture without leaving your face greasy. Formulated with green tea, aloe vera and raspberry to regulate your skin's moisture levels and protect it from free radicals. Sorry, what? Radicals? Ain't no radicals in my skin, honey. Ideal for all skin types and suitable for daily use. Why does it say that suitable for all skin types? Because if it's got a scent, I'm going to be like, no it's not. Packaging that we have, it's always standard with these boxes, but obviously they've changed the colour scheme up to match the box. So we have this gorgeous little lilac tissue paper and a fabulous little periwinkle coloured sticker. One of my fave colours. Okay, ooh, lots of stuff. Let's put it down. Okay, first things first, we have got the Star Skin Eye Catcher Smoothing Biocellulose eye masks. They just look like this, and by the looks of it, it's two pads that you put under your eyes. Now, there was two options that you may have got. So you may have got the one that I got, or you may have got the Beauty Pro Eye Therapy under eye mask that contains collagen, green tea, vitamin A and E. So yeah, an eye mask. I will definitely use that because, oh, I dropped it on the floor, but I struggle with puffy eyes, like really bad under eyes, bags. We're a whole mess over here. So I'll definitely give it a go. So it says that it retails for £4.25, and it says brighten and rejuvenate your eye area with your eye mask designed to visibly reduce puffiness and the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles and dark circles. Hon, I need that in my life because I just, my under eyes can't deal with life. The next thing that we got, I'm already like, got the happy dance vibes going. I love anything for my bath. This is bubble tea Earl Grey bath tea. Like, sorry, what? Bath tea. I love anything for my bath. It looks like it's like bath salts. It's worth £5.99, and it says this innovative bath product provides a delicious scent when dropped into warm running water and is formulated to relieve any aches and pains for the ultimate relaxing treat. How to use: place into warm running water and allow a short time for product to diffuse. Like, I love anything like this, honestly. Bath salts, bubble baths, like anything like that is just right up my alley. So I am buzzing about that, and I can't wait to give it a try. But Earl Grey, does that mean it's going to smell like Earl Grey? It doesn't. It doesn't smell like Earl Grey. It smells of something so familiar, and I don't know what. I know the purple, but it's not lavender. Oh my god, I don't know what it smells like. But it smells gorgeous anyway. It smells relaxing and it smells gorge. And I've got to be honest, I feel like, you know when you buy a packet of crisps and you open it and it's half a bag of air and you're highly disappointed and you're like, why have I got half a bag of air and half a bag of crisps? That's what I feel looking at this. Like, you probably can't tell when I tip it because they're all going to move one way. But like, see how far down you've got to go before, like, my whole finger's gone in there before I can touch something. Like, it is half a bag of hair. I almost feel that disappointment that I feel when I open a bag of the crisp. But nonetheless, I'm still excited to give it a try. I just wish it was full to the top. Yeah, let me show you where it goes to. That is where the product is. So all of this bit is nothing. The next thing that we have is an overnight foot cream, and we get 30 mils. That smells. Oh, it smells like Vapor Rub. I love Vapor Rub. Even if I'm not sick, I could just cake myself in Vapor Rub. Oh, unreal. Unreal, huns. What does that do to your feet? Somebody tell me. Okay, so it's by a brand called E-Cooking. It's worth £8 and 10p for the 30 mils, and it says, working its magic whilst you sleep, this E-Cooking foot cream removes dead skin and moisturises all at once. With a refreshing eucalyptus scent and menthol to soothe and cool the skin, vegan and dermatologically tested. Not good with my words, are my hands? How to use massage cream gently into your feet before you go to sleep. For maximum effectiveness, apply and cover with socks. So like bed socks. My feet are alright, you know. I don't really have dry feet or dead skin or anything like that on them. So I don't know if I'd really benefit from it, but I love the smell of it. Maybe it'll relax me. I don't know. I might try this on tonight and just see what it does. And if it does nothing, I'll give it to my boyfriend. He could probably do with some of this. Next thing that we have is this. It's by a brand called Glove or Glove. Is it Glove or Glove? There's no E on the end. Glove. So it says Glove and relax. Soft hair wrap. Super absorbent hair towel, shorter drying time. So it says that this is worth £14 and 99p, suitable for all hair types. This Glove hair towel is made from innovative microfiber technology that is more gentle than regular cotton towels. It's the hair care accessory you didn't know you needed. Oh, okay, maybe then, because I wouldn't have bought one. Maybe I'll try now. I've got it. Ideal for drying hair overnight. What? Ain't nobody got time to be sleeping in one of them. Locking in hair masks and significantly reducing overall hair drying time. How to use: tilt your head back, apply hair wrap, ensuring all hair is covered, wrap and secure with an elastic. It smells not bad. Like it has a smell. Like it smells fresh, but yeah, just surprised me. Oh, there's a big old button here. So the button goes through this. I don't know how to use it. I mean, I'll definitely give it a go. I'm not wearing it overnight. Absolutely not. I'm not doing it. I refuse. That is a chore in itself. How could anyone sleep comfortably with something like this on their head? It's not happening. But I do tend to, when I get out of the bath, wrap my hair up in a towel and then like run around and do stuff before I actually sit down to dry it. So it will be handy for that. So I definitely am going to try it. I'm not sleeping in it overnight. That ain't happening. Okay, so the next thing we have, I think it's by a brand called Balance Me. And it's a what now? Bakuchiol? I don't know what that is. But it says it's a smoothing serum. Who knows how to pronounce that? Not me. So it says, wow, that 7ml alone is worth £11. Holy macamoly. So it says, back, you just know what I mean. It's 100% natural, plant-based retinol alternative, providing all anti-aging benefits without the irritation and sensitivity. The result? Question mark. Smoother skin texture, enhanced collagen production, and the reduction of fine lines and wrinkles. Sorry, when it asked the question, I felt like I was on the outfit. How to use: massage one pump over cleansed skin, AM or PM. follow with SPF in the morning. So yeah, it's basically just a serum for the skin to make it nice and smooth. I will give it a go. I'm not impartial to a good serum. I like a serum, so I will definitely give that a try. And the last thing that we have, so it's from a brand called By Terry. What is this? Is this a gloss? So, oh, comes off like a little white. Oh my god, it smells like treatment. What is this? Okay, oh my god, that's worth £14. What is it? This travel-friendly version of By Terry Signature Lip Balm. Ah, it's a lip balm. That's why it's got that smell to it. But it looks like a gloss, like it's got a sheen. That will be so good for no makeup days. So this travel-friendly version of By Terry Signature Lip Balm combines luxury and protection. Infused with shea butter, rose flower wax and vitamin A, it glides onto the lips effortlessly whilst providing a subtle shine. Perfect for on-the-go nourishment. How to use. Use alone or under lip products for a smooth application. Apply over lipstick for a glossy finish. Oh, so it's like a balm and a gloss all in one. I love that. Can't wait to give that a go. Does it have a shade? Does, but I'm not even going to try and pronounce it because I've butchered everything in this video so far. So yeah, overall I'm happy with that box. I will definitely use everything in it, to be fair, so that's a really good result. Sometimes I get to the end of these videos and I'm like, I'll use maybe 2 things, but I would use everything in that box, so I am really happy with that one. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do hope that you did enjoy this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You can hit the one down below, the one at the side of me here in the form of a heart, or you can wait till the end and hit the one in the form of my big face. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.